Sorry, I'm moving the phone. Sounds like the bird sound are coming from behind me, but I don't want to put the phone that way. Let's see. Yeah, because again, the roof of the house, I want you all to be able to enjoy the video, so get as much tree and animal sounds as possible. I'm on the front porch. I might have to start doing a couple on the back porch. Ooh, here's a bird. Not sure what kind it is. Turned around and there it was. It's not a sparrow, but I'm not sure what kind it is. Maybe it is a sparrow. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, there's two of them. They flew in that tree. Those weren't sparrows. They had white on their wings. There it is up there. It had some... There's two of them. They got white on their wings. I don't know what those are. If anybody knows what they are, please let us know. So you can see by the clouds, it's going to be another dreary day. It's okay. We haven't had rain in about a week and a half. The other one is flying around in that tree somewhere. I see it move and then it's gone as quickly as it... I see it. Trying to see if I could catch it, move it all. Focus on the empty spots a little bit, see if it flies. Well, I'm gonna go back to the one on the pole a few moments. Sounds like a bunch of different birds. Maybe 3 or 4 kinds. Thank you for making an appearance, Birdie. I know I'm so steady the last couple of days with these videos, holding them. Maybe because I'm, God, I don't know, because I'm maybe doing 33-minute videos, 15-minute videos, and it's too much on my muscles being I'm out of shape. I don't know. I'll have to exercise my arms. I try to do little exercises anyway throughout the day. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Why is this so out of focus? There we go. Can't tell on the big trees, but it's a little windy. Don't seem like the big trees are blowing as much. I don't understand why my phone is so out of focus at times. Let's see, what do we see in these trees? Any birdies? Or squirrels? This is usually the squirrel section over here. The other day the squirrels were running up this way. Oh, let me get this bird a few more moments. This is, when it's like this large, I get a headache as I move it. I don't know if it's because it's so enlarged and everything's all of a sudden popping in your face, especially on the trees. But I figure let me get another morning video for my viewers and let them see some more nature. Purposely blew the bird up so if anybody could identify it, it'd be appreciated. I know sparrows, cardinals, blue jays, crows, because those are big and black. Birdie, sing! I'm taking the focus away so I could start moving the phone a little bit too. This tree reminds me of a Christmas tree. I wish we had a tall ladder and outdoor lights to decorate it, at Christmas time. Let's watch them and then see if any squirrels come out. Where, oh, where are the squirrels? I know I sing horrible. Was that you, Birdie, or somebody else? Bird went flying across. That was an added feature. Let's see. We could focus on the driveway a little bit, and the seating area. Oh, for those that haven't seen my videos, that's the fire pit. I'll get it one night. And that's the AC that you hear in the background. The bird flew away that was up there. Everyone else showing off the driveway area. There it is. I don't know if you see it, there's two of them. And into the tree they go. Oh, it's nice I got a little bit of a close-up of them. They seem to like this tree for some reason. But then again, the trees are their homes. I'm going to head in shortly. I thought I felt a raindrop. I got a bunch of videos in the front, so I'm gonna see if I could, over the next few days, get a couple in the back. Like I said, those birds like this tree. I wish I would come out and fly a minute, just fly around a little bit where we could see them, so you could see those nice white marks on them. And off they go. Let's see if I can focus here a little bit. I'll get the fire pit and the seating area, so you all can imagine in your mind that there's a fire there and you're all sitting at the far end watching it and enjoying a snack or meal of some sort. And then of course there's the garbage can to put your garbage in if you are having an outdoor meal in the seating area. That's a famous spot for the squirrels. I haven't seen any in that spot for a bit. The last couple I saw were in these trees over here going crazy. Thought I saw some birds flying. Maybe not. But let's leave it, stay here for a moment in case I did. Just gonna focus in on our front lawn a little bit. Like I said in one of my recent videos, I don't think they come out during the day, the deer and the bunnies. I haven't seen them in daylight. But I wish I could catch a video or two of, with the deer and or rabbits going by. That was a nice treat seeing those birds flying. No, I'm going to end this video shortly. Just going to leave it on the grass so sometimes a lizard or a frog goes on by. It's been a rare occasion since I've seen a frog. I don't like snakes, but I wouldn't even mind getting a video of a snake, slithering across the driveway, as long as it's not close enough to hurt us or touch us. There's that big bird. Saw a big bird flying, but I couldn't seem to catch it on video. Those big birds, I wish they would come a little closer and down a little bit so I could let you guys see those better. Not sure if you heard the train horn. That thing in the background there, that little building, I believe that's where was it this one? One of the two of I believe the horse stable, where the horses stay out of the rain and the cold. I'm focusing at the top of the trees to see if any birds come flying out that we hear singing. We have 2 events coming up, and I'm gonna try and get videos going and coming on the car ride, and I'll see if I could get videos while we're there. I don't know if the places are gonna allow videos, being other people will be present, and the workers probably won't want to be in the video. I'll see what I could get it, on the outside and the inside if I can. Sorry you're getting so much of the AC sound in this one. I had mopped the floor, so I put the AC on to help dry it so none of us would slip or let the animals slip. Oh, look at the moths flying from the wind. I'll try and get the hazy sun in the video, but all I seem to be getting is the house roof. I think I'm going to end this video shortly. Oh, these white flowers here, these are the ones that you saw sparkling in my evening video. Not sure what kind of flowers they are. Yeah, I felt another raindrop or two over the last couple of minutes, and just felt another one hit my arm, so I'm going to cut this video off shortly. See if we can get the tree shaking from the wind. Have a great rest of your day, afternoon, evening, night, and weekend, everybody, depending on where you live. It's Sunday here. It might be Saturday or Monday, depending on where you live.